In this video, we will see how to use the destructuring, or you can say tuple unpacking, in Python. So, it is basically a feature of Python which is also known as a tuple unpacking. It helps you assign the multiple values in a single line in a clean, readable, and a powerful format. So let's get started with our VS Code. Name destructuring.py. So what is basically a destructuring? Destructuring in simple language is a way to assign the elements of a list, tuple, or a iterable sequence to multiple variables in one line only. Let me give you an example. Like if I am taking some person's name in a tuple format, let's take the details current 20, and you can take ECE over here. Now if I want let's say name, age, branch, name, age, and branch, I am assigning this to the person tuple. And if I am print the name, print the age, and print the branch, this is basically known as the destructuring. Destructuring means assigning each element of a tuple to the multiple variables in a single line. In this step we do the destructuring. If I run this program, you can see the name is current, the age is 20, the branch is ECE, right? So this is known as destructuring. This is basically a basic example of destructuring, or you can say a tuple unpacking. What we can do next, we can do unpacking with the star operator. But do note the statement, like the number of variables must equal to number of items. It's obvious, else you will get error. Or to avoid error, we should use the star operator. You are well aware about it. This is the star args operator, or you can say as a unpacking operator. Now let's see unpacking with star operator. Let's see, if I am making a list of numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I am assigning this to A star B comma C equal to, and if I am using the numbers over here, then in the next line, if I am printing A, and if I am printing B, and if I am printing C. Have you seen such an example in previous videos? Yes, I've explained such example in my last video, right? If you are printing A, then what will it print? It will print only 1. And if I are printing B, what will it print? We don't know, because this is star B. This will unpack. Okay, and let's see what is C going to print. C is going to print 6 only, and the remaining part will be printed by B, that is the list 2 3 4 5. So let's run it and see the example 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now I don't have to explain much about this example, because we have already taken such example in my previous video and I have explained over there. Now we are moving ahead, that, or simply I can say that you can use star to capture the rest of the values, to capture the rest of the values in the form of list. Now we can do also unpacking in the form of a list. We can also do unpacking in loops basically. Now let's say I have data, and I have data in the format students. I have list of tuples basically, or you can say a dictionary with dot items function, which is used already. I have name equal to my name. I have have another name with this age. Sorry, I have used something wrong. I have done something wrong. I wanted to make this is the age, and now I have another person's name. Let's say it's Sana, and the age is 21. And this is the list of tuples. Now I want to traverse it for name comma age in students, and I am going to print the name and age by using the formatted string. Name is age years. Oh, let me cross this notification. Age years old, sorry for that. And let's run it. If I run it, then you can say that Krishna is 20 years old, Ankit is 19 years old, and Sana is 21 years old. So this is how you can unpack it in loops. It is a great method to work with the list of tuples of the stored data. What we can do next is we can swap the variables without using the temp variable. How we can do swapping without using the temp variables? The next topic is swapping variables without using temp variable, without using any kind of temporary variable. Let's say if I have a equal to 5, b equal to 10. Now I want to swap the variable like a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. How will I do that? A comma b equal to b comma a. This is quite simple, and if I am print a and then print b, if I run it, you can see that a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. The variables have been swapped. There is no need of temporary variables because Python makes it clean, right? So this was very a small topic, like what is destructuring. Destructuring means assigning the elements of a tuple to the multiple variables in a single line, right? Tuple unpacking lets you assign the multiple values at once, and we can use star to capture the extra values. It works great with the loops, returns, and we can also do swapping using destructuring methods. So that's how destructuring works in Python. I hope you are the concept is clear to you, and you can now move further in Python tutorials. So that's it for this video. Thank you for listening to patiently to this video. Thank you guys. Meet you in next video.